For the following problem, it says, which equation will generate the following table? They give you a table of values. They give you x values that should correspond to the y values. The best way to answer this question is just to plug in a -2 into the x, and it should give you a 1. Plug in a 1 into the x, and it should give you a -11. Plug in a 3 into the x, and it should give you a -19. So you just have to test. Now, the fact that the first point, it's on the first line, will generate it by the first line, or by first equation, it doesn't mean that the second point will also be generated. So you need to at least check 2 of them. But ideally, just check all 3 to be sure. Letter A. And a lot of times I can just do it mentally. -2 times 4 is -8. Plus 1, is that 1? Yes. Let's plug in a 1. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 9, is that -11? No. So I think that one's wrong. I'm going to plug in a -2 into the x. -2 minus 22, is that positive 1? No, that's -23, -24. Let me plug it in here. -2 times 4 is -8. Minus 15, is that going to be 1? No. Let's try letter D. -2 times -4 is positive 8. Minus 7, that is 1. Plug in 1. 1 times -4 is -4. Minus 7, is that -11? Yes. Plug in 3. -4 times 3 is -12. Minus 7, is that -11? Yes. The answer seems to be D. Now you do need to show me some work, so once you kind of figure out which one it is, then just do it manually, or just show me the work. Let's try the -2. That'll be y is equal to -4. Instead of the x, I'm going to plug in a -2 minus 7. So that gives me -8, no, positive 8 minus 7. Is that equal to 1? Yes. Now let's go and plug in a 1. We have y is equal to -4, x minus 7. But instead of the x, I'm going to plug in a 1. That gives me -4 minus 7. That is -11. So that one works. And let me try the last one. Let me plug in a 3. Y is equal to -4, 3 minus 7. And that should give me -19. That gives me -12 minus 7 is -19. That one is also correct. So your answer is D.